Alright, so new problem on the Lexus. I don't know if it was taking it to the shop or what, but the seat now can go down, but it can't go back up. The mechanism, whatever, you can hear it, it's like broken. So I went on eScam where they only sell broken parts that don't work. And I bought a new module or controller or whatever for the seat. Now this one you can hear, it goes up, it goes down, but the only problem is the back and forth motion doesn't seem to work right. I'm still gonna install this one and see what happens. I got the seller to refund me the money because I'm not gonna put this thing on then realize it's broken. Like you can clearly hear, there's no clicky action there. And then if you go back here, you can clearly hear a click. But so I'm gonna put the seat all the way forward and then I'm gonna disconnect the batteries. I mean, hopefully it can go back, and I just got the part for free, but I don't know what's wrong with these thingamajigs. I think it was my brother chauffeuring me around. He just totally cranks on this thing and has to put it in his own position. The way I got it back though to the right position is like one's my standard seat, three's like backwards cowgirl position. So I could just like click one and it would go up all the way, and then I could adjust it down to whatever I want. But I don't want to have to stop the car and click one now every time that I want to put the seat in the position. So yeah, I'm gonna put you guys on the tripod and let's see if you can see what's going on. So you want to just take these things off. These things are fairly simple. You want to hold the other side and just like pry a tiny bit like that, and it should just pop right off without breaking. Fuck. Yeah, not broken yet. The one that I got that doesn't have the same color knobs as this, that doesn't really matter because I'll just put these ones back on. Dang, now my fingers are cold already. Fuck. Fuck. Alright, yeah, not broken yet. Now there's gonna be 2 screws right here. This thing, yeah, you just want to slide it up. Oh yeah, so there's gonna be a screw here, screw there. And I think there's a screw right there. Oh my. This thing right here has a screw that you have to have like a really small short screwdriver to unscrew the back right here so you can get it out. I guess the seat has to be way more further up, and yeah, I don't know. So yeah, hopefully I don't lose the screw. But now that it's unscrewed, I should be able to take these things out. Alright, so long story short, to get the controller out, you really have to unscrew it to get it out. To get the controller off the plug, there's this little slot right there. You need to push something in there because the plug right here doesn't push the inside down far enough. Alright, so here's the replacement one. See how I said the dude broke it off to get it out? I guess he was just taking it out quick, so the one that I'm putting in is broken. I broke the thing off. No one will be able to tell. At least it'll go up and down. I'm gonna plug it in and see if it'll work, and then I'm gonna put it all back together. Let's go power the car on and see what happens. Let's see if this thing works. Oh wow, it actually does go backwards and forwards. And now, the main problem is fixed. The seat goes up and down. I'm not sure how you would ever get to be able to take the controller off if your seat couldn't go up and down or move itself. Man, that would be the biggest pain. But it works now. I'm gonna put it all back together and yeah, we'll see what happens. Look what I just found on my pants. That's like a million years of good luck. I remember as a kid, I went to the mountains one time and the house we were staying in had a literal million ladybugs in it. I thought I was gonna have good luck for the rest of my life. I don't know what happened. Bye, little ladybug. And there it is, all done. All right, so in conclusion, since restarting the battery, the steering wheel always does that. Hold on, I'm not gonna turn it off actually until that thing's done. But on the first startup after the battery is reconnected, it always does the Windows 98, and then the steering wheel sometimes doesn't go down, but it'll go back down. So I'm gonna let it finish. It's doing its thingamajang. Alright, yeah, steering wheel goes back down. Press 1. I don't remember this position on the seat. Interesting. Yeah. Oh. Wow, this one's really sensitive. Interesting. And I guess my seat has forgotten where the presets are. Alright, well, that's the end of the video. The seat now works again. Next video, I'm going to be fixing the center console. It seems fine now, but it like rocks forward and stuff, and there's like 2 or 4 bolts or screws that are loose in the car. So yeah, next video is going to be that. Thanks for watching.